very short way of putting it, it's a restaurant with no cash register.
Thank you.
It's very well balanced, and the soup is always delicious.
It's a perfect place to give food to the people.
A soup kitchen does not need to look like the way it comes to people's mind.
It makes you know that you're still in society. You know, just because you're going through some rough time, you're not the only one going through it.
What we're very focused on is how can we get the hungry to eat in a very dignified way. Most people see charity as something that has to take those people and get them out of where they are now. What we're saying is, can we be kind to them where they are now, and that warmth will go a long way helping them. That's my grandfather. He used to have a matzah factory in his backyard, which the day of the Seder, that afternoon we used to come the entire family and do the matzah baking together. At my grandmother's, every Saturday there was guests at the table, and usually guests that no one wanted to invite to their table. Those are the ones who I was sitting next to growing up. The odor was not so comfortable. A lot of what they were talking about wasn't so good and clean, but these are the people who she taught us to care for. The first night we opened up, only 8 people showed up. So we thought, okay, so the naysayers have it. We're trying something, but nobody really needs it. But after a few months, we were already doing 100 meals a night.
It's a satisfaction for me to give healthy food, natural food. This is what the people need.
Our chef, Ruben Diaz, comes in that morning or a day before and sees what did we get from the local farmers market, what did we get donated from the local supermarket, and creates a menu around that.
The soup from today, all the potatoes is donated by City Harvest. We have to buy the carrots, the chicken, fresh squash. Well, my dream is to open a restaurant. Not now. I have to save a lot of money, but I feel like this is my passion. Cook for the people, for the community.
All right, let's go to Queens. You see, it's not even 3 o'clock, but the people are already by the corner. It's pretty tough, too many people.
Raising $2 million a year, if you divide that into days, it's very daunting. So it's not fair to say that's every day a pleasure when you know that tomorrow's the 1st and you don't have the money in the bank to pay the rent for the 3 locations. It's no picnic. But there's some sort of the immediate satisfaction that's always there, where people come in and they're hungry, they leave satiated. You go at the end of the year, you tally up the meals, and you see it's 500,000 meals, and you say, "Wow, okay, this is really making a difference in so many people's lives." That feeling is a very good feeling.
Perfect combination.